Also, can I just make a slight aside about the IRS? Funding the IRS is good, and it's especially good if you are middle class, middle income, or working class, or poor. The people who want to underfund the IRS are the wealthy. If we simply collected the actual tax that was owed by the top 1%, I'm not even talking about like changing any tax laws, simply collecting what they actually have been determined to owe, then we could end poverty in America. So I just want to say that all this stuff about making the IRS into a boogeyman that the middle class hates and wants to underfund, underfunding the IRS means the only people who it can audit are the easy people, and easy tax returns to audit are middle class and working class people. The hard returns to audit, the hard people to go after for collections or for audit and for tax scams is the 1%, because those are the people who have an army of tax accountants and lawyers who will fight and throw in obstacles and make things very difficult. Not to mention that they're doing very complex tax maneuvers. You and I, we are not doing any complex tax maneuvers. And so it is very simple to audit us. So when we underfund the IRS, what it means is middle class people get audited more. When we fund the IRS properly, and if we funded them to the degree that we definitely should, taxes would be more fair, because the 1% would be treated the way the rest of us already are, and the pressure would come off the rest of us because we'd have the resources to actually collect money owed by the wealthiest people in this country. Okay, PSA over. PSA over, but I just want to be super clear that funding the IRS is a good thing. It's a very, very positive thing, and it benefits you and I.